All right, I just learned that Domino's Pizza actually has sandwiches. So I just ordered a couple because it's lunchtime. Let's go see what they're like. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Man, it's a hot day. But I found out that Domino's Pizza has sandwiches. I didn't know that. I just thought they had pizza and cheesy bread and some of those things. So I actually was really intrigued because they looked really good. I actually ordered two sandwiches. I ordered a buffalo chicken, which I love, and I love chicken parm, which they also have. So I've got them both. I think they're considered like half sandwiches, so I kind of wonder what that means. And now I'm on my way. Let's go get them. All right, just leaving Domino's. Got the two sandwiches. They come in their own little boxes. So cute. Let's go home, check them out. All right, back home, got the two sandwiches. I'm not sure which one is which yet. I thought we would do a true unboxing here and take a peek. And, ooh, look at that. It's kind of like a flat-ish bread, so it's not as thick or as fluffy as some of the other ones, including Subway, which I actually like. It looks like it's going to have more of a kind of a crispier toasted focaccia flavor. And this is going to be the buffalo chicken. Now, I ordered everything just the way they would come with all the fixings. So you can see the cheese dripping there. The spicy buffalo sauce, man, it does smell great. You can see the sauce impregnating the bread, and that's a pretty decent sized sandwich. You know, look at that. It's a decent size. I would say it's about the size of a potbelly sandwich, if you're familiar with those, and maybe just a little shorter than a Jimmy John sandwich, but that looks pretty good. Now let's take a look at this one, which means that this one will be the chicken parm. Again, the bread is, you know, buttery and golden and looks great. And I think they make these things and run them through the same oven as the pizzas. And look at that stringy cheese all baked right there. This is the chicken parm. Man, there's a lot of cheese on there. See the chicken pieces. This thing is piping hot. And man, that looks good. And that smells great. I can smell the marinara sauce. Again, I love the fact that you get this runny, stringy cheese, the toasted bread, and then I love when that inside the bread is all soaked with sauce. I just love that. So let's taste them. All right, buffalo chicken. I love buffalo chicken, and I love them in sandwiches. Subway actually used to have a buffalo chicken sandwich, and I loved it, and then they got rid of it. I used to love getting on flatbread, so this seems like a pretty good facsimile, and obviously toasted. Man, it's not bad. I like a little spice, but I can't handle a lot. This is absolutely very edible. You know, for research purposes, I would just take a bite and then throw the rest away, kind of like you do in a wine tasting. But I'm not sure. I don't know what I'll do with the rest of the sandwich. Oh, and here's the parm. I would say this feels like a much heartier sandwich. Has some weight to it. Who doesn't love chicken parm, man? Oh. It is so hot. Even driving it home, I thought it would cool off. Parm is really good too. It's not overly moist. I mean, it just tastes like a chicken parmesan chicken breast in a sandwich. And even though the chicken pieces are cut up, it's not really registering that you've got kind of smaller chicken slices. It just tastes like parm. I mean, maybe it's the cheese that's gluing it all together. But hey, these are pretty good. I am pretty impressed. I would definitely order them again. It's nice that a pizza place can have other dishes that aren't pizza and still be great. And Domino's nailed it with these. I'm really impressed with them. So if you want to pick them up, check your local Domino's as well. I will put a link to Domino's stuff in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.